So guys, now today's I'm going to tell you about the 5 books that can change your life. And even as you know that books are the very powerful things in this world because you can get 10 years of experience in a single book, and I hope you know this. So if you are a book reader, so you just have to read out these 5 books that I'm going to tell you about. So because if you read these books that I'm going to tell you, so you can get money, name, fame, or popularity, literally, because it can change your life. So you have to do that thing that I'm going to tell you. So you have to just read out the 10 pages of that particular books that I'm going to tell you about these books. So number one thing is you just have to read out 10 pages of any book that you like the most from these 5 books. So the number one book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Means uh, the thing is, have you ever realized that sometimes when we face a problem, we are in the tension because of the problem, but accidentally our mind connect the dots and make a solution while bathing or taking the rest. So it is a very powerful thing in our body. You can say mind is a very powerful thing. So you just have to don't care about your problem, means how much big your problem. You just need to do one thing, that is if you are thinking so much or taking too much tension about your problem, just take a rest for an hour. You can take the rest for 30 minutes or as much long you wanna get. So you can take. Now come to the solution, means when we can get the solution after taking rest. So after like taking rest, you can get the solution anytime, means you can't even imagine. You can get the solution anytime because our subconscious mind process all of the things that are connecting to your problem or that can solve to your problem. So our mind, uh, after connecting all of the dots, our mind means your mind can give you the best solution, you can say. So you have to just first of all think about from your all of potential, and if you are not getting something that you expected from your mind, or you can say from yourself, so leave that particular thing, and after that you can get the best solution from your mind or from your like your thought process. So now I'm going to tell you about our second powerful book. The book is The 48 Laws of Power. So, guys, like it is the very powerful book because it is banned in some of the reasons, and it focuses on strategic manipulation. And it means like if you are communicating with someone of you, if you are indulging in conversation with someone, so you can manipulate with the help of the tips, or we can say laws from this book. So it is very manipulative book, we can say. If I'll tell you honestly, means in a single line, in a single sentence, so it is a very manipulative book, The 48 Laws of Power. Or now the second main point from this book, the understanding human nature, means after reading out the some of the laws from this book, you can understand the all of the human behavior, means how a human react after, means after saying this word or after saying this line, so how a human can react. So now you can know all of the things about the human nature or human body after reading this book. And the third main point from this book is achieving self control, means you can control your body, you can control your mind, means how to react when someone says something. So now it's time to move on our third number book, that is How to Win Friends and Influence People. So this is the best book for those who are having lower confidence while talking to someone or while communicating with someone. So this is the best book for those people who are just lower confidence and who hesitate while talking to someone or while facing to someone. So it is the best book for those. And now the best thing from this book, that is, after 88 years the tips and tricks is still working. So you can imagine how much powerful the things from this book that you can read out. And the main point of this book is power of empathy, because genuinity is the key to winning hearts. And the other thing is we have to just understand all of the things with the other's perspective, because it builds trust and long lasting connection with that particular person that you are interacting in a conversation. So you can say like that. Now it's time to like come up on the fourth number book, Deep Work. So now you can ask yourself, when last time you worked continuously in this social media, or we can say technological world, because focus is the superpower in this modern economy, because everyone are getting distracted from the social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. So these type of platforms are very destructive right now for those people like who wants to do something big in the life, or who are just chasing the dreams. So this the era is very difficult for those people literally. Now I'm saying that the book focuses on creativity and problem solving things as well, and it helps you to do the quality work in the very less time. After reading this book, you can work very productively, or you can do quality work in a very less time. So it is a very big thing. Now number 5 book is Atomic Habits, and this book about how a small habit can make a big change in your life. Now I don't need to tell you that how a very small habit can make a very big change in your life, because you can like take example from exercise. If you are doing exercise daily basisly, so you can get lots of benefits. If you are doing exercise daily basisly, you can get many of the health benefits. First of all, like if you are doing exercise, then you can feel fit, and you can like you can't even imagine that how much your productivity will increase if you are doing exercise on a daily basis. And the other thing is, if you are doing exercise, so means your focus will automatically increase. So that's all for today's, because right now I have to go, because we'll meet again into the another video. I hope you like this video, and if you are having some type of question, so you can ask in the comment box.